How to change app language in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the app on your device. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select the My Account option. Here, tap on Profile Info, then select Profile Info again. This will take you to the new page where you can edit your personal information. Inside the personal information section, you will find the language option. Tap on Edit and you will see a list of available languages. Choose your preferred language from the list. The app will then update and switch to the selected language immediately. If needed, restart the app to make sure all changes take effect properly. Now you know how to change the app language in GoPro Quik easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.